Let's review the supervision of occupational therapy personnel for the NBCOT exam. This information was referenced from the AOTA's American Journal of Occupational Therapy. According to this article, supervision occurs along a continuum and includes the definitions close supervision, routine supervision, general supervision, and minimal supervision. Let's quiz your knowledge of these terms actually. Place these types of supervision from most frequent and most involved to least frequent and least amount of supervision. I'll give you a moment to think this through. The correct order from most supervision to least supervision is 1. Close supervision, 2. Routine supervision, 3. General supervision, and last 4. Minimal supervision. To remember this, most of the terms actually make sense. Close as well, close. Minimal makes sense too. It's the least amount of supervision. How about the last two in the middle, routine and general? Routine implies some sort of schedule, so therefore it would be second in order, which leaves general supervision by process of elimination and as third in order. You just have to kind of remember that there are 4 types of supervision. One way you can remember this is with supervision. You probably have 20/20 or better vision. So if you add up the digits, 20/20, it's 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 equals 4. So 4 types. The other day, I saw a cool custom license plate of probably like an optometrist or something driving that car. The license plate said 4II, or 4 eyes. Get it? Okay, so let's go over the actual definitions of the types of supervisions. By the way, are you enrolled in the OTDUDE NBCOT exam prep course? It's free to register and you get instant access to these videos, quizzes, and study guides and more in a single online course. The link is in the description. Close supervision requires daily contact of the worksite. Routine supervision requires contact every 2 weeks at the worksite, with interim supervision by other methods such as telephone or written communication. General supervision requires at least monthly direct contact, with supervision available as needed by other methods. And last, minimal supervision is provided on an as-needed basis, which may be actually less than a month. You can pause the video now to compare the differences and similarities between the different types of supervision. So I was thinking how you can remember this information for the frequencies of contact. So thinking of it in terms of dividing up a month may be helpful. With close supervision, it is the most frequent. So basically every day of the month, like 30 days. Or maybe this way. With routine supervision, think about how when you are driving on a route and it splits and forks, such as on the left and a right, or an off-ramp on the freeway, you can go either left or right. So you have 2 choices. This means every 2 weeks, as in routine supervision. And general supervision would be less than routine, right? Based on the order like we quizzed earlier. So it would be once a month. The store Dollar General sells things for $1, so 1 time a month. Knowing now that minimal supervision is like the last one and the least, even less than general supervision, and since general supervision is once a month, what would be less than a month, right? Well, less than a month, or as needed, based on intuitively, because an occupational therapy practitioner should be more competent at this point by now. So it would be kind of as an as-needed basis, such as a situation when a situation comes up and they have a question as needed. And last, you can remember that routine includes interim supervision by like phone or written correspondence, such as by email. By imagining that you are driving on the route and deciding to go left or right, and while driving, you can be talking on the phone via Bluetooth or like getting text messages by your supervisor, like the OT in your car's text-to-speech feature to give you directions from your supervisor on what to do. So this might help you remember it. And that's really it for the supervision continuum. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of this kind of content. I'm Jeff, the OT Dude. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.